Good day, I'm Owa and this is my explanation about the finite state machine. So, finite state machine is a mathematical model used to represent systems that have a finite number of states. The behavior of an FSM is defined by its current state and a set of transitions that are triggered by inputs or events. When an event occurs, the FSM moves from one state to another, potentially performing an action. The slideshow explains that the same input can lead to different outputs depending on the current state. Diba dun sa slide, meron namang different state na nandun. So meron dun mga mamaya natin. So the presentation outlined different ways to represent FSMs, including state/event tables and various diagrams like UML's state machine. It also differentiates between two main types, yung Moore machine tsaka yung Mealy. Yung Moore, it is where the output is determined only by current state, and yung Mealy naman is where the output is determined by both the current state and the output. Based nga dun sa ano ko, yung sa may summarization ko, yung kunyari, 'di ba, meron din tayong dalawang type ng yung DFA tsaka NFA. So kunyari, yung DFA it is where each inputs lead to exactly one next state. And NFA is where an input may lead to multiple possible state. So yun, going back dun sa explanation, so the documents also touches on computational power, nothing that FSM have less memory and therefore less power than Turing machine. FSMs are widely used in fields like computer science, etc. So meron tayong mga types ng FSM. Yun nga yung dalawa, Moore machine tsaka Mealy. Tapos representation ng FSM can be visually represented using diagram or mathematically described with state/events table. Application naman niya, sa application, FSMs are a foundational concept used in many areas of computing, including software engineering, digital logic, design, and artificial intelligence. So dun siya madalas ginagamit. Then, we also have takeaways. Di ko lang naisulat. So, takeaways, we have core components. An FSM is defined by states, the system current condition. Yung event naman is input that triggers a change. Transition, the movement from one state to another. And action is what the system does in response to an event. So, meron din tayong state-dependent behavior. A key characteristics of an FSM is that the same input can produce different results depending on the state the system is in. So, ayun. Yun nga, bali meron siyang types ng FSM, yung Moore at Mealy. Then meron tayong DFA, NFA. And that's all for the explanation of finite state machine. Thank you.